if you love food as much as I do and you try to eat healthy, give this seafood recipe a try that is quick, delicious, and healthy. The first thing that we have to get ready is going to be the fish. I am using fresh cod today because I always prefer fresh, non-frozen fish. For this recipe, you can really use any type of fish, so don't hesitate to change it around and go with your favorite. Using cold water only, clean your fish and make sure it's completely dry. Cut the fish to smaller pieces and get it ready for the food processor. Using 5 to 6 fresh cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and finally 1 large lime. Using a food processor on low, grind your fish with your ingredients and get it to the texture that you see here. Put your fish in a container and allow your fish to marinate for 40 minutes inside your fridge. While our fish is marinating, let's get started with the rice. We're gonna need about 36 grams of fresh cilantro chopped into fine pieces. For rice, we are using 210 grams of Basmati rice. Start washing your rice a few times until the water becomes clear and it's no longer cloudy. We are going to cook our rice over the stove, so drain your rice and add 2 fresh cups of water. Next, season your rice with 1 teaspoon of sea salt, generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. If you're curious about what I'm using to cook the rice, it is 100% solid copper cookware. It is more natural, so I'm slowly replacing most of my cookware with copper. It definitely gets some getting used to, so for now, we'll just stick to using it for the easy stuff like rice. Cook the rice with medium heat until the water is completely gone. Turn down the heat to low, get the rice to the center of the pot, cover the pot and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After your pan is completely heated and your oil is hot, start cooking your fish. Add some fresh cilantro and saute your fish till it's golden brown. Now it's time to check on our rice. Basmati rice doesn't take too long to cook. You know your rice is cooked once it has a fluffy and soft texture. I have an addiction to extra virgin olive oil, so I add a little bit more to the rice before I add the cilantro. Next, go ahead and add your cilantro and lemon juice and mix it up with your rice. Make sure you're not adding too much lime juice at this point. Just a half of key lime should be more than enough. Even though the fish is already packed with flavor, I really like spicy food, so I always add my homemade chili sauce to the fish as well. If you'd like to also try my chili sauce recipe, there will be a link in the description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And just like always, if you do try the recipe, don't forget to comment and let me know how it turned out. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.